Children, now we will be discussing question number 1 of 3.3 exercise. First we will understand the question G, D, E, F. See, G, D, E, F. This is G, this is D, this is E, this is F. These are concyclic. Concyclic means they are present on the circle, one circle. And in this given angles ECF, see ECF means this angle, middle angle is how much? 70 degree. Major arc DGF means from here, see I am drawing with pink, major arc DGF is given how much? 200. Then we have to find out arc DE means this. Let me mark it with yellow. This arc DE we have to find, and arc DEF means this entire. Let us see how to do it. First we will start with what is given. ECF is 70 degree here. Angle ECF is 70 degree. So we shall start the solution. Angle ECF is equal to first point 70 degree given. Now look at this. ECF, angle ECF is equal to arc arc EF. What is the reason for it? Central angle. See, angle ECF is a central angle. C is the center of the circle and angle ECF is the central angle, and therefore arc intercepted by the central angle is EF. ECF is the central angle, it is intercepting the arc EF, so EF will be equal to also 70 degree. And what is the value of ECF? 70 degree. Therefore arc EF is 70 degree. We got arc EF. Now this is 70 degree. We want to find out DE. See here, DGF is given 200, EF is given 70 degree. We can use this arc DE plus, see, this plus this plus this is going to be 360. It is complete circle, and therefore arc DE plus arc DGF plus arc EF is equal to 360 degree. Circle, arcs, complete circle is 360 degree. Second point. Now the third point, DE we want to find out. So arc DE plus DGF is given how much? 200. So we can write 200 here. 200 plus arc EF how much we have got? 70 degree. Yes children, 70 degree is equal to how much? 360 degree. So arc DE plus 270 is equal to 360 degree. Now this 270 can be taken here. We will take it here. So we will get arc DE is equal to 360 minus 270 degree. How much will be 360 minus 270 degree? Yes, it will be 90 degree. Okay, 90 means 70, 30, yes, correct. So it will be 90 degree. So arc DE we got as 90 degree. So here we got DE equal to 90 degree in the figure I am writing, so it will becomes easy for you to understand. So arc D is 90 degree, EF is 70 degree. Now this we have got, arc D is equal to 90 degree. I can put a box around it. Fine. Second thing what we want to find out, DEF. DEF. Now here children we can use arc addition property. This arc plus this arc. And we can find the major arc DEF. So what I'll do, I'll be doing arc, fourth point, DE plus arc EF. What it will be? D is how much? 90 plus EF is how much? 70. It will be how much children? 160 degree. So arc DE plus EF is nothing but DEF. So that would be arc DEF, which is equal to 160 degree. And we got the answer. You can pause the video children and you can understand and you can write it down. Children, now we have 3.3 exercise, second sum. Let us understand the sum first. You can see on the board there is triangle QRS and it is given it is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. So triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. And what we need to prove? We need to prove that arc QR is equal to arc RS, which is also equal to arc QS. Means we want to prove that all these three arcs are equal to one another. Secondly, we want to prove that major arc QRS is 240 degree. So let us begin children. Let's begin with what is given first. It is given that triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. So solution, triangle QRS is an equilateral. Over there I have not written lateral, but it is RAL, lateral triangle. Reason given. So triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. Reason given. If it is an equilateral triangle children, equilateral triangle means everybody know of all of you that all the sides are equal. So I can write down RQ is equal to RS is equal to QS. All sides of equilateral triangle is equal, are equal. Now see here, RQ is intercepting which arc? QR. RS is intercepting which arc? RS. QS chord is intercepting which arc? Arc QS. So all the chords are equal, and we have done the theorem. If the equal chords intercept, equal chord subtend equal arc. See, RQ is subtending the shadow of the side RQ. If this is a wall and we put a light on this RQ, So shadow of the light will cover this arc. So RQ is subtending this arc. This is known as subtending. RS is subtending this arc. Means shadow of RS will fall on this arc. QS is subtending QS, arc QS. So if these chords are equal, then the arc which it subtend, they also will be equal. We have done the theorem that the equal chord subtend equal arc. So we can say, third point, therefore arc QR, because QR is subtending, RQ is subtending QR, is equal to arc RS is subtending arc RS, which is QS is subtending arc QS. Children, we can also, if there is a confusion, we can, to understand, see, this is QPR. Let me write here Q, this is RMS, arc name, and this is SNQN. Okay, so now I can say RQ subtend which arc? RQ subtend RPQ, RS subtend RMS, QS subtend QNS, subtending. Okay, so we can write here, instead of QR, I can write here RPQ, arc RPQ, arc RS, I can write down here RMS, I can write here QNS, but that can be written as this. They are nothing but RPQ is nothing but RQ, arc RQ. Therefore, arc RQ is equal to arc RMS is nothing but RS arc. RS is equal to arc QS. And why are they equal? Because the chords are equal. So we can write here equal chords subtends equal arc, equal arcs. This is the reason, very important. Equal chords subtends equal arc. Then this is proved. Fourth point, find major arc QRS. We want to find out this arc. Let me shadow it, or let me highlight it with blue. We want to find out QRS. Nothing is given to us, but all the arcs are equal. This arc is equal to this arc is equal to this arc. We have proved here. So let us assume, let arc RQ is equal to arc RS is equal to arc QS be X. If we are assuming all of them as X, so by arc addition property, let me write down arc RQ plus arc RS plus arc QS is equal to 360 degree. This is complete circle. When you add entire all the arc addition property or complete circle is equal to 360 degree. So what happens here? This is X, plus, we have assumed x plus x is equal to 360 degree. So we can write 3x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are 20 degree, 120 degree. So x we got, x is equal to 120 degree. That means each arc we got as 120 degree, because we have assumed RQ, RS, QS as x. So this arc is 120, this arc also 120, this arc also 120. And which one we want to find out? Major arc QRS. This. If this is 120 and this is 120, we can use arc addition property here. So by the arc addition property, fifth point, by arc addition property, let me write here property, we can get major arc RQ plus major arc RS, which is equal to how much now? Which is equal to QRS, major arc QRS. Now how much is major arc RQ? 120 degrees, see. And how much is major arc RS? 120 degree. So major arc QRS, how much are we getting? 120 plus 120 is 240 degree, which is equal to 240 degree, hence proved. So major arc QRS is equal to 240 degree, we have proved. Children, you can pause the video and you can write down. So solution. Let us begin. What is given? Chord AB is congruent to chord CD, and reason is given. And children, we have seen equal chord subtend equal arc. Chord AB is subtending this arc. Chord CD is subtending this arc. Let us write. See. Chord AB subtend arc ACB. Arc ACB. And chord CD subtend arc CBD. Now as chords are given equal, so arcs also will be equal. So I can say this is the first point. Second point, arc ACB is equal to arc CBD. Reason, equal chord subtends. These are equal chord, na? So they will subtend equal arc. Subtends equal chord subtends equal arcs. Therefore, now arc ACB is equal to arc CBD, na? But arc ACB, you see children, AC plus CB. Can I write this? Arc AC plus arc CB. Below this I'll write arc CB plus CBD. CBD is made up of what? CB plus BD. Now see here, CB is and CB common in both. Here also CB is there, here also CB is there. Can I cancel them? So I'll get arc AC equal to arc BD, hence proved. Children, you can pause the video and you can write down. This ends with our 3.3 exercise. Children, like, subscribe and share. Any comment and suggestions are most welcomed.